Hi y'all, welcome to the Grace Journaling Webcast. I'm your host, Susan Lee Rose. Today I'll be showing you how to make this cute little thank you card. I'm calling it Thanks Birdies. This is a simple little thank you card that you can whip up in just a matter of minutes, but it makes an extra special thank you to someone that you appreciate. Please visit my YouTube channel, Grace Journaling, to view my other videos. If you enjoy them, please like and share them. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to be updated whenever I add new videos and tutorials. You can also find me on my blog at www.gracejournaling.com or follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Grace Journaling. Enjoy today's show. All right, let's get started making this card. The card base is a Kraft 100-pound Kraft paper. It's cut to 5.5 by 8.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. On the front of that, I'm going to put in a piece of pattern paper that I've cut down to 4 1/4 by 2. I'm just going to mount that on the front with my double-sided tape. The circle is just made out of a white textured cardstock, and I'm used the stitched paper dies from Stampin Up to cut the circle. So I'm going to just put that onto the front, just like that. So now I'm going to color in my stamped image. The stamped image is Free as a Bird stamp set from Stampin Up. I am using the stamping blends from Stampin' Up. I really like these pens. I've been using the Caliart pens because that's what I could afford at the time, and I've been trying to kind of replace them since then, and I'm really loving these stamping blend pens. They come in 2 different colors. Like the one that I'm using right there is, I think that one's called Poppy Parade, and it comes in a Poppy Parade Light and a Poppy Parade Dark. And so when you're blending, they're perfect for each other. There's no guesswork whatsoever. And with the Caliart pens, I had to make a color map where I had to color each of them because the cap color is not the same as the actual ink. So it's really hard to be able to match this up. And these ones, the Stampin' Blends, I really like them because the cap color is very true to what the actual color is, and I like that there's a light and a dark in the same color, so it's perfect for blending. I've just recently purchased some Copic pens as well, and they're expensive, and I can't afford to get very many of them, but the Stampin' Blends are really a lot more reasonably priced, and so I really like that. I like being able to blend with them. The Copics blend beautifully as well, but they're just kind of a little bit out of my price range. The Caliart ones are great for beginners, but I would not suggest them for everybody. Now I'm going on in the back. This is actually a Caliart pen. This is the, it's I think it's warm. It's a warm blue or blue gray. I don't remember. But I'm going through there, coloring the background, and then taking the alcohol blender and blending it in really nice. Now this is, excuse me, the die that goes with this set, and I'm just going to go through that through this my Big Shot, and I've got the punched out image, which is really, I love that. So now I'm going to use my Stamparatus from Stampin' Up. I promise I don't sell, but I use it to place the thanks perfectly, and I can use it over and over. And now I'm going to mount the stamped bird image with my mini foam mounts. It's the mini Stampin' Dimensionals from Stampin' Up. I'm going to get that and then mount that onto the front of the card. And then you'll see the finished card once I get all of the backs of those off. And so there it is. Now I'm going to go in there with my Wink of Stella and add a little bit of clear glitter to this, because if you've watched very many of my videos, you see that I use that nearly with every single card. I think it makes a nice little bit of glimmer to the card and gives it a more finished look.